Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Carlos, and I hope you guys are doing well. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lucky stars. And stay towards the end of this video as I'm going to be coating these lucky stars with some acrylic paint. The only thing you'll need to make these lucky stars is just one sheet of paper, specifically copy paper or used homework from school. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold this in half vertically. And then you're going to cut down the folded line. With each half, you're going to repeat the process of folding it in half and cutting it 4 more times until you reach a strip of paper that is approximately 3/4 of a centimeter. Once you have done that, you're going to take off the shorter side of the strip of paper, and if there's any left over, just fold it back. And now it's time to wrap the star. Now you're going to wrap the shape just like this. You should end up with a pentagon or something that looks like a crunch wrap from Taco Bell. Next, the only thing you have to do is just push the flat sides towards the middle gently. And that is how you make a lucky star. So technically the video ends here. However, I'm going to be doing something a little extra, which is just coating these lucky stars with some acrylic paint. I'm going to be coating these lucky stars with some purple acrylic paint. Now my friends, is the end of this video. If you made it this far, you are awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys think and what I should probably do in the future. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye y'all.